Alright, YouTube, this is the first live stream in a while. Probably months. I'm gonna do fundamental trading on these live streams, so I'll do my technical breakdowns and trading. I'm running two systems on this account now. A fundamental system through the US dollar CAD and a technical system through the Australian US dollar. Basically though, this fundamental system I'm just going to keep on the live streams. It's really a contrarian type of strategy because a lot of people aren't into trading news, but it's the highest risk to reward chance you get, in my opinion. So I'll show you guys what I'm going to do, but basically go over to FOREX Factory. And so we've got this news coming out at 10 a.m. First of all, we got the filter for only red folder, only US dollar, and only Canadian dollar. And you guys can see the way I read this news is the forecast is 67.8, the previous is 67.4. So our forecast is supposed to be greater than the previous. Going to the details now, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So we have a predicted greater forecast already than the previous, meaning that it is expected to be good for the US dollar. So we're expected to have a strong US dollar, meaning going to the charts now, we can expect price to go up. So the idea here is to put just a small amount of risk on, just about 10 to 1 leverage, 1% every 10 pips, right? So if price goes, against us 10 pips, then we lose 1%. So what I do is I put on a trade with a extremely small stop loss, like 2.6 pips, and I try to get the news to go in my favor. And even if I get slipped, you guys can see my stop loss is here. Let's say I get slipped half a here, we might lose 5 pips total, right? Well, that's only 0.5%, and we have the potential to make 1.5, 2, 3%, depending on how far the trade goes for us. You know what I mean? So the thing is you have to keep the risk small because anything can happen in these types of trades, and you also have to keep in mind the news often will make a move without wicking against you. So if the news is often making a move without wicking against you, and people say, people try to tell you can't trade, it's just such a great opportunity the times it happens, right? So if people say don't trade news, I'm telling you, if you do it the right way and you have low enough risk for maybe getting slipped a couple pips, you'll be all right and you'll actually make money. So we got 1 minute here, and then we're gonna try to do just that. These are going to be very short live streams. I'll just be taking the trades and then showing the journal too, updating our P&L. So we got about 40 seconds here. Making a mess. Alright, so we enter in about 30 seconds before the news release. And this is supposed to be greater for the currency, so we're going to buy, and we're just going to put our stop loss right outside here. Let's get zoomed in a little bit more. You really want as little risk as possible, right? So we got a 1.9 pip stop. So price pushes for us now, which it didn't. Price did not push for us. It just went immediately against us. So you guys can see that's literally that. Risking pennies right there. So we were wrong, but that's all there is to it. You just do that each and every news event, and the times that it does work out for you, it sweeps all your losses. So let's see our account now. We were at, where were we? We were right here. We lost like $40. So 97, 63, 54. Alright, we'll just do the math really quick on that. Yeah, so we lost $38. Right. So we didn't even lose 0.5% on this. You see, we're keeping our risk so small. So, not the most profitable day, but you guys will see. You'll see over the next week. We'll have a good week next week. But so this is where we're at right now. So we're down about $140 for the day, and we will be back next week. It's Friday, so I will see you guys on Monday. I just uploaded a video too, so if you guys get the chance to watch that, check it out. But yeah, I'll be signing off, and we will rinse and repeat. So you guys can see prices dropping some more. You see we lost like 3 pips, right? This is a perfect example though. We lost like maybe 3 pips, you know, but price didn't wick at all, and so just in one candle right here, like you already have like a 5 to 5, like 1 to 5, 6 or 1 to 6, you know, risk to reward. Like that's, you know, the times that we're right by like a lot more than we're wrong, right? And so you guys can see here, and you'll see over and over again how the news doesn't always wick against you, and you actually have a good opportunity for a very high risk to reward setup. Today didn't work out for us, however, it still proved our point that this happens. We will be back for the next one. We always trade in the favor of the forecast because that's what the professionals are saying, and you know, you always have a better edge going with what they're saying for their economic you know, analysis, because they've, you know, they've got the experience with it, is to say the least. So alright, I'll see you guys on the next video, in the next live stream. Join the Telegram. The link is in this video and this stream's description. You guys can find it in my other video descriptions too on this 9K to 1 mil trading series. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend. We're back strong, and I will see you guys then. Take care.